Your question is, under which article of Constitution of India the governor has the power to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature? Your options are A 155, B 156, C 212 or D 213. Right answer is D 213. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. According to the Constitution of India, a person who is eligible to vote can be made a minister in a state for 6 months even if he or she is not a member of the legislature of that state. 2. According to the Representation of People Act 1951, a person convicted of a criminal offence and sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years is permanently disqualified from casting an election even after his release from prison. Which of the statements given above is not correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2 or D neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D neither 1 nor 2. Your question is, the pension of a retired High Court judge is charged to the. Your options are A Consolidated Fund of India, B Consolidated Fund of the state where he last served, C Consolidated Fund of the different states where he has served, or D Contingency Fund of India. Right answer is A Consolidated Fund of India. Your question is, Indian Constitution presents 3 lists for the distribution of power between center and states. Which 2 articles regulate that distribution? Your options are A Article 4 and 5, B Article 56 and 57, C Article 141 and 142, or D Article 245 and 246. Right answer is D Article 245 and 246. Your question is, consider the following statements regarding Article 356 of the Constitution. 1. Failure of constitutional machinery in states is an objective reality. 2. A promulgation under this article can be reviewed by Supreme Court. 3. Along with this proclamation, state legislative assembly can be dissolved. 4. This proclamation has to be approved by each House of Parliament within 2 months. Which of the statements given above is not correct? Your options are A 1, 2 and 4 only, B 1, 2 and 3 only, C 3 and 4 only, or D 2, 3 and 4 only. Right answer is A 1, 2 and 4 only. Your question is, who of the following shall causes every recommendation made by the Finance Commission to be laid before each House of the Parliament? Your options are A the President of India, B the Speaker of Lok Sabha, C the Prime Minister of India, or D the Union Finance Minister. Right answer is A the President of India. Your question is, when was the National Development Council formed in India? Your options are A 26 January 1950, B 2nd October 1950, C 6th August 1951, or D 6th August 1952. Right answer is D 6th August 1952. Your question is, the chairman of the Constitutional Review Commission set up in February 2000 is. Your options are A M.N. Venkatachalaya, B R.S. Sarkaria, C Krishna Iyer, or D Fatima Bibi. Right answer is A M.N. Venkatachalaya. Your question is, what is the total number of electors in Lok Sabha elections in 2009 in million? 1 million equals 10 lakh. Your options are A 815, B 613, C 714, or D 903. Right answer is C 714. Your question is, the merger of a political party with another political party in India is recognized in which of the following conditions? Your options are A when not less than 1/3 members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger, B when not less than half members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger, C when not less than 2/3 members of the legislative party have agreed to such merger, or D when not less than 3/4 members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger. Right answer is C when not less than 2/3 members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger.